In this video, I'm going to be using a hair from CurlsCurls Yaki clipping extension. All the link will be in the description below. Today we are going to be using clipping extension in natural hair to blend with natural hair. We are going to be doing 2 Kenro on each side of the hair, and then we are going to put it into a ponytail. I'm going to be using elastic band to just round the hair and place it into the hair, not on the scalp, on the hair. The hair we are using today, first of all, I prepared the hair by co-washing with a conditioner, and I'm doing some elasticity tests to show if the hair is going to last for a long time, and then use some heat protector. Now I'm just placing in the clipping extension in our ponytail. I'm going to be using one of these padding. I'm going to be clipping in our pins to just make sure it's well secured. Now I'm just going to follow by placing the extension, the clipping extension. I'm going to put 3 or 4. I want to cover the padding. I will kind of recommend for you to use like a darker one. So just place the clipping extension, and now we are going to cover the padding. If you want us to do more of this hairstyle, share this video with friends and family so that we can keep on doing more of this. Next is to section this part into 3 because we are making a bow from this section that is remaining. Comb it, and I'm going to be flipping it using this stick like a chopstick to just flip it around, and then I'm going to be using a pin to pin it in place. Just roll this in your hand and push it in, and use a pin to pin it in to just make sure it's well secured. Repeat the step on the other side. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I upload videos every week. This hair is Kinky Blowout in color 1B. This is a quick and easy style, protective hairstyle for any special occasion. Put your accessory and you are ready to go. We are going to move on to the second hair. I'm just going to section the hair. We are plaiting this side to the back. Place the clipping extension as much as you like. Make sure it's covering the plait because we don't want the plait to show. I'm just using a ponytail grip to just hold the hair in place. Guys, to be honest, the quality of this hair is really good. I will highly recommend it to my clients. I'm just going to wrap that place, so just take some of the hair, wrap it around the ponytail. We are going to be using some holding spray, a harder one, to just make sure everything is in place. We are just going to use our spray it in, and just make sure everything is well covered. This hairstyle is quite easy. You can do it for anyone, and you can even do it for yourself. Now we are going to be using some of our heated tools. I'm just kind of rolling the hair, twisting it while rolling it, twist it, roll it, and I'm going to be securing it with a pin. I'm going to be tonguing all the hair to the back. This hair hold coils very well, and the quality is really good. All the details will be in the description below. Guys, don't forget to share this video with friends and family so that we can be doing more of this type. Comment down below, let me know which of this hairstyle you prefer best. I'm just going to keep on arranging the hair right now. Just arrange it, comb the bottom a little bit, spread it, use your comb to just put it in place. If you want to learn how to make all type of hair, this video up here, I recommend it for you. See you next week. We love you all. Bye bye.